I run a short-term rental and I built an agent that runs my whole guest and team operation. Let me show you. I can't hand you the app. It's wired to my Airbnb, my property, my team. So instead, I share a recipe, a markdown file, a seed that tells Cloud how to build your own version. Paste one link, answer a few questions, it's yours. Let me skip to it running. Quick note, I'm simulating my team. Cloud lets me attach multiple numbers, so I registered a cleaner and a handyman as separate numbers. I'm playing all three from my phone. First, a guest asks about early check-in. The agent checks my calendar and my policy, drafts a reply in my voice, and mirrors it to my phone for approval before anything sends. I approve, it posts back to the guest, and it doesn't sound robotic. You learned how my attendants actually talk from my real past conversations. Second, a guest reports something's broken. The agent doesn't just apologize, it routes the issue to my handyman on his own number and coordinates the fix. One message in, the right person dispatched, and the guest handled. Guest and staff, one brain. This is where software is going. You won't download apps, you install recipes recompiled into your version by an AI that knows you. Go build your own seed, links below.